never die. When the world is calling you, can you hear them screaming out your name? Legends never die. They become a part of you. Every time you play far reaching greatness, relentless, you survive. You never lose hope when everything's cold and the fighting's near. It's deep in their bones, all right into smoke when the fire is near.
Cek cek.
Legends never die. When the world is calling
Hi everybody, it's a nice day, isn't it? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will bring a storytelling entitled Pancasila. One day in Yambu'ul Quran, there is a student named Naila who is looking for her senior named Sister Nabila. And here is, we are the boys, I'm Muha and Brother Farid and Brother Fahmi. We had discussed about Pancasila.
Where is Senior Nabila? Excuse me, may I ask to you? Where Assalamualaikum. Excuse me, Senior.
Waalaikumsalam. Yeah, what's up?
Would you like to give me your sign, please?
And why I should do that?
Another senior asks it to me.
Okay, but with one condition.
What is that, Senior?
You have to read Pancasila principles.
Fine, Senior. I think I could. The first is ketuhanan yang Maha Esa. The second is kemanusiaan yang adil dan beradab. The third is persatuan Indonesia. The fourth is keadilan. I forgot.
What about the fifth?
The fifth is kerakyatan, persatuan. I couldn't remember the core principle. I'm sorry, Senior.
Why? It can't be like that. Pancasila is our national principles. You are the Indonesia young generation. The generation who might be the leader are the public figure in Indonesia future. How could student like you cannot memorize Pancasila? What are you? Are your friend thinking about K-pop culture or maybe Wibu? Oh, we should be ashamed about it. Don't you realize that Pancasila is the root of basic principle in Indonesia? Or maybe I should give you another punishment so that you can memorize Pancasila better.
Excuse me, girls. May I join with you?
Sure.
I heard that you both talk about Pancasila.
Yep, you're right.
May I ask to you, Naila, what is Pancasila means?
It's Indonesian national principles.
That's true. And who is the first that announced Pancasila, Nabila?
He is Mr. Sukarno, our first president.
This is June. Do you know what is that meaning?
June the 1st is a born of Pancasila state.
Yeah, so right. And we are, the boys, had discussed about how Pancasila rises in Indonesia. Even before the independence of Indonesia. Brother Fahmi and Brother Muha, could you explain the result of our discussion just now? You're the first Brother Fahmi and will be interspersed by Brother Muha.
With my pleasure, Brother Farid. In the era of colonial rule, when Indonesia was still known as the Dutch East Indies, a quiet flame of nationalism began to burn. It was small, almost unseen, but it lived in the hearts of the people from Aceh to Papua, who shared the same pain, being colonized, oppressed, and stripped of their dignity. But from that pain, a new awareness was born that Indonesia was not merely a collection of islands, but one homeland, one nation, and one language. Years passed, and World War II shook the world. Japan came as a new colonizer, but beneath the suffering an opportunity emerged, a moment to prepare for independence.
In 1945, amidst great uncertainty and pressure, the BPUPKI, or Investigating Committee for Preparatory Work for Indonesian Independence, was formed. Their task to create the foundation of a new independent nation. And so began a historic moment. On June the 1st, 1945, in a modest meeting hall filled with hopeful energy, a young leader named Engineer Sukarno stood and delivered a powerful steering speech. Saudara-saudara, saya namakan ini Pancasila. Mr. Sukarno proposed 5 principles as the foundational of the Indonesian state. The first is Indonesian nationalism. The second is internationalism or humanitarianism. The third is consensus or democracy. The fourth is social welfare. The fifth is belief in God with a civilized approach.
But the process wasn't easy. There were debates, differing opinions, moments of doubt and tension. How could such a diverse nation be united under one foundation? To find common ground, a committee of 9 was formed, representing various backgrounds and beliefs. From their collaboration, the Jakarta Charter was born on June 22, 1945, marking the earliest structure form of Pancasila.
However, on the eve of the independence, an historic act of compromise and unity, the wording of certain phrases was revised, especially to respect the concerns of the eastern regions. Finally, on August 18, 1945, one day after the proclamation of independence, Pancasila was officially adopted as the foundational philosophy of the Republic of Indonesia, inserted in the preamble of the 1945 Constitution.
Pancasila was born from dialogue, not domination. It was not the idea of one person, but the wisdom of many united for the future of a nation. Unity above ego, the founding fathers put aside personal and group interest in favor of national harmony.
Pancasila reflects the soul of Indonesia. Its 5 principles embrace divinity, humanity, unity, democracy, and social justice. Independence was not the end, it was the beginning. Pancasila became the compass to guide Indonesia from revolution into nationhood.
Well, thanks a lot for your explanation, brothers. Sometimes Indonesian young generation don't know about Pancasila. It's worrying. They are so busy to learn about many foreign culture, but they don't learn about original good morals which are contained in Pancasila. Don't just memorize Pancasila, but make it a plate on your activities, and we can be proud to be Indonesian citizen.
Let us remember, Pancasila is not just a symbol or a line recited during ceremonies. It is a legacy born of struggle, defended with blood and meant to be lived with integrity. As long as the values of Pancasila live in the heart of its people, Indonesia will never fall.
Now, Naila, could you read again the completely of Pancasila principles?
With my pleasure, Senior Farid. Pancasila.
Pancasila.
Sila pertama,
Sila pertama,
ketuhanan yang Maha Esa.
ketuhanan yang Maha Esa.
Sila kedua,
Sila kedua,
kemanusiaan yang adil dan beradab.
kemanusiaan yang adil dan beradab.
Sila ketiga,
Sila ketiga,
persatuan Indonesia.
persatuan Indonesia.
Sila keempat,
Sila keempat,
kerakyatan yang dipimpin oleh hikmat kebijaksanaan dalam permusyawaratan perwakilan.
rakyat yang dipimpin oleh hikmat kebijaksanaan dalam permusyawaratan perwakilan.
Sila kelima,
Sila kelima,
keadilan sosial bagi seluruh rakyat Indonesia.
keadilan sosial bagi seluruh rakyat Indonesia.
Now I could remember all of Pancasila principles, Senior.
Alhamdulillah, well done.
Ladies and gentlemen, please stand up. We will sing Indonesia Pusaka together. One, two, three.
Indonesia tanah air beta, pusaka abadi nan jaya. Indonesia sejak dulu kala selalu dipuja-puja bangsa. Di sana tempat lahir beta, dibuai dibesarkan bunda, tempat berlindung di hari tua sampai akhir menutup mata. Sungguh jasa bagi bangsa yang memujanya. Indonesia Ibu Pertiwi, kau ku puja, kau ku kasihi. Tenagaku bahkan pun jiwaku kepadamu rela ku beri. Kepadamu rela ku beri.
You could be back to your seat, please. This is the end of our performance today. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Legends never die when the world is calling you. Can you hear them screaming out your name? Legends never die, they become a part of you. Every time you blink